Looking for the best cheap printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Canon Pixma G3270 Wireless MegaTank All-In. Most low-priced multifunction inkjets have high running costs. In other words, they're cheap to buy, but you can wind up spending a pretty penny on ink. The Canon Pixma G3270 is an exception. It's reasonably affordable and also cheap to operate. Its ink comes in bottles and is rated for nearly 6,000 monotext pages and 7,700 color pages for the starter set of cyan, yellow, magenta, and black ink you receive. For any ink you buy beyond that, the cost per page works out to 0.3 cent per monotext page and 0.8 cent per color page. Add impressive-looking output, given the price, plus a flatbed for light-duty copying and scanning, and you get a lot of high-quality output for very little money. Who it's for? Homes and home offices. The G3270's low purchase price and low running costs make it a solid choice for light to medium printing homes and home offices that aren't daunted by frequently filling it with paper to reap the savings. Newcomers to ink tank printing. The starter set of ink bottles that comes with the printer includes everything you need to print thousands of pages, no extra purchases or confusing compatibility checks required. Number 2. Canon Pixma TS7720. If you're on a rock-bottom budget and don't print enough for a bulk ink or tank-based printer's low running costs to pay off in the long run, Canon's cartridge-based Pixma TS7720 may be the printer you're looking for. This 4-function AIO, print, copy, scan, and fax, uses black and tricolor ink cartridges. It offers a 200-sheet paper capacity and connects to mobile devices as well as to PCs via Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, or USB. Unless you're exceptionally picky, its output, while sluggish, is of suitably high quality. Who it's for? People who print occasionally. The TS7720 is a strong contender for households that print only occasionally. It's a bit slow, but it delivers good output quality, particularly for text and photos, and its 2 paper trays provide above-average paper handling for a printer in its price class. Budget buyers. The TS7720 can be found for not much more than $100 when it's on sale, making it an exceptionally budget-friendly option. Number 3. HP LaserJet M209dw. The HP LaserJet M209dw is essentially the same printer as the HP LaserJet M209D, but with a slight price increase and the addition of Wi-Fi support, denoted by the W in the name. It also adds Ethernet and both mobile and remote printing. Paper handling is suitable for light to moderate duty use in homes and small offices. The M209DW's text quality is close to the top tier for a monolaser. Most fonts we tested, including those suitable for business documents, were easily legible at small font sizes. Who it's for? Users who plan to connect their printers via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you need a network connection or its other extras, the M209DW is worth considering, especially since it's sometimes discounted to the same price as, or a lower price than, its M209D sibling. Number 4. Canon Selfie CP1500 Wireless Compact Photo Printer. Most fully portable photo printers today offer wallet-size or slightly larger prints, so if you want a 4x6-inch picture size, which the Canon Selfie CP1500 offers, you have limited choices. But that doesn't mean you have to make compromises. The latest in the long-running Selfie line of portables, the CP1500 in particular delivers a solid feature set, drugstore-grade photo quality, courtesy of its dye sub technology, and a reasonably low running cost, at a bit above or below 30 cents per 4x6-inch photo. The cost covers both the paper and required dye rolls. The CP1500 weighs 2.5 pounds with the paper cassette and its dye roll inserted, but not the optional battery, which can print up to 54 photos per charge. This model can print from an SD or micro SD card, a USB thumb drive. You get a Type-C, not Type-A, port for that, an iOS or Android phone or tablet, or a macOS or Windows PC, and it can connect via USB cable or Wi-Fi. In our tests, the CP1500 printed each sample photo in just under a minute, complete with a protective coating. And the dye sub picture comes out fully waterproof, without needing drying time, and with a long promised lifetime, rated at 100 years. Number 5. Kodak Mini 3 Retro 3x3 Portable Printer. The retro part of the name of Kodak's Mini 3 Retro pocket-size photo printer refers to its ability to print 3-inch square images that are either borderless or have narrow white borders, similar to old-time drugstore prints. We think the former option looks sharper, but both kinds look great thanks to Kodak's 4-pass dye sublimation technology, which delivers far better output quality than the zero-ink, zinc, output of many compact photo printers. The Mini 3 Retro is available in 3 colors, white, yellow, and black, and 2 prices, a $141.99 version that comes with a die roll and enough media for 8 prints, and a $156.99 version that comes with enough media for 68 prints. Refills are available in 30-, 60-, and 90 print packs that you load by simply sliding them into the printer. Who it's for? Android and iOS users. The Retro connects via Bluetooth and prints from both Android and Apple phones and tablets, but not from PCs or Macs. People who want smaller snapshots. It's not the only dye sub game in town. HP and Canon offer bulkier models that print larger pictures, but if you're content with 3x3-inch snapshots instead of 4x6-inch ones, it's a fun, nifty smartphone companion.